In this section, I'm going to talk about creating new drawings in Active Project. To do this, from the Project Manager, select a new drawing. Also, there is another method to choose a new drawing, which is by right-clicking on the project's rollout of the Project Manager. The created drawing will get added to the active project automatically. You have to enter the name of the drawing file in the Name Edit box, and .dwg extension will be added to the drawing name. In the Template Edit box, you have to specify the path and the name of the template drawing. Also, you can select the Browse button and choose the template drawing from this dialog box. Now open it and the location of the template will be shown for you. In the Location Edit box, you have to enter the location of the new drawing. By default, you can see the directory of the active project file in this edit box. The Browse button can be used to specify your desired location for the new drawing. Notice that you cannot create identical drawings at the same location. You can use Description Edit box to enter description for a drawing. If you entered description earlier drawings, you can select the new description from the drop-down list. When you intend to use the IEC drafting standard, the IEC style designators can be applied. This option, the description edit boxes, the IEC style designators area, sheet values area, and also choosing the OK properties is optional, and they can be edited later. After specifying a drawing file name in the Name Edit box, the OK button will be activated. Here in the active project, the new drawing will be added automatically and it appears in bold text. If there is an existing drawing, it is possible to add it to the current project. To do this, just right-click on the project name and from the shortcut menu, select the Add Drawings. Select the Add button to enter the drawing. In the Open message box, if you select Yes button, the default values of a project will be added to the WDM block of the newly added drawing. But if you select No button, the new drawing also, will maintain its existing settings. Moreover, the selected drawings will appear at the end of the project drawing list.